It's Metaverse o'clock. While the metaverse is a flexible idea that each corporation understands and creates according to its desires, others believe connecting these individual worlds is crucial. This is why Meta, Microsoft, and other firms such as Epic Games have formed the Metaverse Standards Forum, an organization dedicated to promoting the interoperability of these digital universes. Meta is a founding member, as are major IT companies such as Adobe, Microsoft, and Nvidia. However, Apple and Google are conspicuously absent from the first membership. Founders are Adobe, Epic Games, IKEA, Qualcomm, Sony, the XR Association, SDOs, the Kronos Group, World Wide Web Consortium, and Open Geospatial Consortium. According to the announcement, the forum is meant to foster the development of open standards for the metaverse. In simple words, the organization aims to ensure that future incarnations of the still nascent metaverse allow users to seamlessly transition between platforms with no single corporation dominating the field. The forum will not establish norms on its own. The organization will serve as a clearinghouse for many standards developing organizations or SDOs in domains such as VR, graphics, and interfaces. Some consider forming such a group as a statement about the corporation's agreement on the significance of developing open standards for the metaverse idea. Some significant absences. While the organization claims to be an open organization, open to any interested parties for free, some famous names have not joined. Apple, one of the world's largest technological corporations interested in VR and AR, or augmented reality technologies, has yet to join the forum. Other major gaming-based metaverses such as Roblox have yet to enter. This is due to the diversity of corporations constructing platforms targeted toward it. According to experts, even with an organization pushing norms on the issue, standardization of the digital universe, or the worlds comprising the metaverse, would be a difficult challenge. Apple, claiming to introduce an AR headset by 2023, is not taking part. Neither is Alphabet, the company that controls Google. Both parties have previously joined open industry groups such as Meta and Fido, but none has popularized the term metaverse. Aside from its undisclosed but much discussed AR headset, CEO Tim Cook stated in Apple's Q1 2022 earnings call that Apple's involvement in the metaverse market is a big question. Apple would be in direct conflict with Meta, which has placed its future on the creation of the metaverse and has spent massively on hardware to make its vision of linked virtual worlds a reality. Meta, formerly known as Facebook until its metaverse shift last year, has revealed plans for a mixed reality headgear codenamed Cambria, which will be available later in 2022. In the past, Apple has been significantly involved in developing online standards such as HTML5. Apple collaborated with Pixar on the USDZ file format for three-dimensional material in the metaverse, with Adobe to guarantee it supported the structure. Meanwhile, Alphabet's Google has been tied to a new AR headgear, and augmented reality is a prominent part of many Google products, from Pixel phones to software. According to TechCrunch, Google joined the VR Standards Initiative in 2016 with Facebook's then Oculus VR brand. Kronos Group, a non-profit focusing on future technologies that hosts the Metaverse Standards Forum, launched the endeavor. Neil Trevitt, an executive at chipmaker Nvidia who chairs the Metaverse Standards Forum, said in a statement that any firm, including crypto players, is welcome to join the forum. He stated that the forum's mission is to encourage communication between various standards bodies and corporations to achieve real-world interoperability in the metaverse, without addressing how Apple's absence may influence that goal. The scope of the group will vary according to participation. Still, probable subjects include 3D assets and rendering, human interface and interaction paradigms such as AR and VR, user-created content, avatars, identity management, privacy, and financial transactions. The Metaverse Standards Forum has identified possible fields of collaborative spatial computing, such as photorealistic content creation, geographic systems, end-user content tooling, digital twins, real-time collaboration, physical simulation, online economics, and others. The inaugural meeting of the forum is scheduled for July 2022. Do you believe this new organization is a step in the right direction, or will it be unable to achieve the core expectations of users? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you loved this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more.